Global markets are opening the week cautiously with escalating U.S.-Canada trade tensions and uncertainty surrounding new U.S. sanctions on Iran weighing on risk appetite. U.S. equity futures are close to flat but modestly softer overall, following broad losses across Asia and a subdued European session. The U.S. dollar is firmer on the day but remains close to multi-month lows. Concerns around U.S. fiscal sustainability and the Treasury's decision to double the size of its long-dated debt buybacks continue to weigh on the currency's underlying appeal, while keeping longer dated treasury yields elevated. The Canadian dollar is the clear G10 underperformer. US-Canada trade negotiation collapsed late Friday, leaving the United States to impose 50% tariffs on around $20 billion of Canadian goods and prompting Ottawa to announce dollar-for-dollar retaliation. Canada's smaller, more trade-dependent economy is viewed as more vulnerable to an extended dispute, although expectations of additional fiscal support from the Carney government could provide some offset. Geopolitics remains an important macro driver. U.S. Treasury Secretary Bessent is due to unveil a new sanctions package against Iran later today, with markets focused on whether the measures target Iran's remaining oil revenues or countries continuing to trade with Tehran. Iran has threatened to disrupt Gulf oil exports in response, although crude prices are currently down as traders await the details rather than immediately pricing in further supply shock. The North American calendar is exceptionally light, with no major U.S. or Canadian data releases scheduled today. The principal event risk will therefore be Bessent's Iran sanctions announcement, alongside any further developments in the U.S.-Canada trade dispute. Beyond today, attention turns to U.S. consumer confidence and new home sales on Tuesday, Australian inflation and U.S. core PCE, GDP, and durable goods data on Wednesday, followed by the start of the Jackson Hole Conference on Thursday and Fed Chair Warsh's address on Friday. That's all for now.